Many believe that earning more money is the key to improving their finances. However, this is not always the case. In fact, for many people, better money management is all that is needed to strengthen their finances. Hello everyone, welcome to the Finance Wisdom channel. If you are new to this channel, do like and subscribe to the channel. This video will discuss living ways to improve your life, budgeting, and pay off debt. These tips might seem like common sense to some of you, but they're effective methods that have helped me and many others get our finances in order. So, whether you're just starting your money journey or have been struggling for a while, I hope these tips will help you. The first way to improve your life by budgeting and paying off debt is to start with a plan. Like many people, you may start the year with good intentions to get your finances in order. But when life gets busy, it's easy to let your budgeting and debt reduction plans fall by the wayside. If you're serious about getting your financial house in order, here are some key steps you can take to make it happen. First, take a close look at your income and expenditures. Where can you cut back on spending? Where can you find extra money to put towards debt reduction? Once you have a clear picture of where your money is going, you can start to make changes. Next, develop a plan for paying off your debt. If you have multiple debts, start by focusing on the one with the highest interest rate. Make sure you make more than a minimum payment each month. And if possible, try to pay off the debt entirely within a few years. Finally, stick to your plan. Living within a budget can be difficult, but resisting overspending temptation is essential. Once you've managed to get your debt under control, you'll be amazed at how much easier it is to keep your finances healthy. Second, make extra money on the side. You're not alone if you're struggling to make ends meet or get ahead financially. In fact, according to a recent survey, nearly 60% of Americans live paycheck to paycheck. However, there are some things you can do to improve your financial situation. One of the most effective ways to increase your income is to take on a part-time job or start a side hustle. Not only will this give you extra money to work with each month, but it can also help you build up your savings and reduce your debt. If you're not interested in taking on another job, you could also try to selling some of your belongings or starting a small business. Whatever route you decide to take, making extra money on the side is a great way to improve your financial situation. Third, automate your finances. Automating your finances is one of the best ways to improve your budgeting and pay off debt. By setting up automatic bills and savings, you can ensure that your money is always where it needs to be. This can help you stay on track with your budget and avoid late fees or interest charges. Additionally, automated payments can help you reach your savings goals sooner. Having your money automatically transferred into a savings account allows you to watch your balance grow without thinking about it. Automating your finances is a simple but effective way to improve your budgeting and get out debt. Fourth, stay disciplined with your spending. That means avoiding impulse purchases and keeping track of your expenses. One way to do this is to create a budget and stick to it. This will help you see where your money is going and how much you can afford to spend on non-essentials. It's also essential to make a plan for paying off any debt you may have. Priority should be given to high-interest debt, such as credit card debt. By staying disciplined with your spending and planning to pay off your debt, you can improve your financial situation and achieve your long-term financial goals. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel if you like this video. Fifth, get organized. Create folders for critical financial documents like your tax returns, bank statements, and pay stubs. This will help you keep track of your finances and make it easier to find information when needed. You should also create a budget spreadsheet that lists your income and expenses. This will help you see where your money is going and make adjustments to ensure you live within your means. Finally, be sure to review your budget and make changes as necessary regularly. Sixth, consider debt consolidation. If you struggle to keep up with your monthly payments, it may be time to consider debt consolidation. This approach can help simplify your finances and get a handle on your debt. There are a few ways to consolidate your debt, but the most common is to take out a personal loan. You can use the loan to pay off your debts, including credit cards, store cards, and other types of debt. This can help you reduce your monthly payments and make it easier to keep up with them. If you are considering debt consolidation, be sure to shop around for the best rates and terms. In addition, it can also help you to save money on interest charges. You can also check with current creditors to see if they offer special deals or programs. Consolidating your debt can significantly improve your budgeting and get your finances back on track. Seventh, stop using your credit card for shopping. Another way to improve your life by budgeting and paying off debt is to stop using your credit card for shopping. This may seem an obvious solution, but many people continue using their credit cards for everyday purchases despite the high interest rates. If you are serious about controlling your finances, you must cut up your credit cards and start paying with cash or with debit card. Not only will this help you stay within your budget, but it will also help you reduce your overall debt. Following these simple tips, you can improve your financial situation and start working towards a debt-free future. Finally, ask for help when needed. Seeking professional help regarding budgeting and paying off debt is not a sign of weakness. It can be one of the most brilliant things you do. A professional can offer unbiased advice and guidance and help you develop a plan tailored to your unique circumstances. They can also provide support and accountability, which can be helpful when you are trying to make financial changes. If you are struggling with your finances, don't hesitate to seek help. It could be the best decision you ever make. If you are looking for ways to improve your life by budgeting and paying off debt, the tips we have shared in this article can help. Many resources are available, including credit counseling services and financial advisors. However, if you need more assistance, remember the seventh way. Don't hesitate to reach out for help. By following these steps in planning for your finances, you can take control of your money and work towards a brighter financial future. Thank you for watching. I hope you have learned something from this video. If you like this video, give us a like, subscribe to the channel, and comment down below. Thank you and goodbye.